This is from my latest anthology, which is called Epoch.
Okay.
Just I received the book today. So a few lines. It's called The Beacon of Hope,
Oh.
and it goes like this. When your mind wanders fretted in pain, in an unknown state of helplessness, is it worth being so? Ask yourself again. Expectations, denial, the cluelessness. Mind your mind as it just wanders so. There is more to the world wants from you. Look at the accolades, you would know. More there to conquer, lands new, clashes of ego, din and more arise. Strength is when you know you can. Let the one in you awake and arise. Be sensitive, for you know you can. When your mind just wanders thus, hearing the whispers to move out. Find a new place. Heart knows it does. Give the dreams and wishes a shout. You are the guiding light for someone. Be the bright light at the tunnel's end. You see the light within. You are the one. Nothing is wrong. Message of God did send. Cheer a bright little light, O blessed one. Feel the search within for the true spirit. You are the chosen one. Time to reckon. You are sunshine smiles. Be ready to share it.
Outstanding.
Thank you very much.
Outstanding.
Chris, could I request you to show the cover of the book?
Yeah, it's called
Next time I
Epoch.
know what to look for. Oh, how lovely.
Yeah.
Lovely.
Uh, Actually, the delay, I was telling two things. Like one is I had a surgery inside my jaw, so that kept me a little off. So
When did that
abhi
happen? Chris, when did that happen?
3 days back.
Oh God.
Yeah, the stitches are still fresh, so it's a little difficult. That's why, like, I was having my all medical gargle and all that.
Oh.
No, I'm back to work. I started doing voiceovers and all that, so can't help it.
So all the
Work
very
calls.
best. All the very
That was
best.
delay.
Yeah. So only one. I think it was very brief. We can have one more.
ठीक है. So this one, okay. Now this one.
Chris, you
from-
write Hindi poetry as well, na?
I do.
Can we?
जरूर. क्यों?
अरे मजा आएगा मजा आएगा समझ भी आ जाएगी ना थोड़ी सी Otherwise ऊपर चली जाती है
This one, actually, the one which I received yesterday, another book of mine, which is called The Illusion of Being Normal.
Okay.
In this, there is a small story, like,
Yeah.
thoda sa hi time lunga, like, it actually happened when we were in the Rotaract Club and we went for a community service program inside a mental asylum. So we were going to every ward, giving them clothes, sweets, and all that. And we were almost done with that when the attender said, "Okay, you have to meet a very interesting person." तो हम वहाँ चले गए. वहाँ गए तो अटेंडर जी बोले कि आप बात कर लो, कोई बात नहीं. So we started speaking. And जैसे ही बात शुरू की, he started speaking in very good English, chaste English. तो हमने पूछा नाम क्या है आपका? तो he said, I'm Manoharan. So where did you study? He said, yeah, I did my MA English in Madras Christian College. And yeah, so we asked him, like, are you married? He said, yeah, I'm married. I have 2 kids. One is in Oxford, the other is in Stanford. Only one is interested in literature, and that's how it is. So we were like wondering, Oxford, Stanford, उनके पिताजी यहाँ पे पागल खाने में क्या कर रहे हैं? And we were like little shocked. So I slowly asked the attender, like, क्या बात है? So he said, ask his wife's name. तो हमने पूछा कि आपके वाइफ का नाम क्या है? He said, Jayaprada. When he was studying in Madras Christian College, he watched Jayaprada movies and he believed that that is his wife. He has 2 kids in his own world and they are studying in Oxford, Stanford and all that. And he's living in his own world, which is so very happy. सिर्फ हमें प्रॉब्लम होती है, उनको प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती.
अरे वाह amazing.
So this was something which always made me wonder, like, they are so very happy in their own world. उनकी दुनिया अलग होती है.
बिल्कुल.
Now this one Hindi nahi hai. Oh, okay. Do you want English or Hindi?
Whatever you want, whatever you want.
Okay, this is a fact which we all, there's a part of the clinical hypnotherapy side as well as a poem which I wrote for this one. I'm just a grown-up 6-year-old. I'm just a grown-up 6-year-old, mature enough, unlike I've been told. लोग कहते हैं कि मैं उतना mature नहीं हूँ, ठीक है. Mature enough, unlike I've been told. I've walked the path of pain and disdain. Still, I love to walk in the rain. I still love to walk in the rain. I still love a swirl of ice cream too, and the dainty sweet smile from you. Hunger, thirst, all remain the same, but they are duly changed their name. I wish there was Santa for Christmas, not if it was a part of dark business. I love the mother's lap and a hug, and for questions reply with a shrug. Stories I love and the dances too. Stories I love and the dances too, but wish it was always fresh and new. Mouth waters seeing green mangoes. कच्चे आम देख के तो हर के मुंह में पानी आ जाता है. It's not just for 6-year-old. Yeah, it's just like that. Mouth waters seeing green mangoes. I'm told that it's not the way a man goes. So what does it mean when it says you should be mature, remain so always? सब कहते हैं. You should be mature, remain so always. I would prefer to be myself as I am. Just an overgrown 6-year-old I am.
So I think, Chris, this was Chris. You were describing Chris.
Yes, very much. The very immature, कच्चे आम देख के मुंह में पानी आने वाला, dance music वो सुन के मचलने वाला. I often borrow the lines of Harivansh Rai Bachchan for my introduction. मिट्टी का तन, मस्ती का मन, क्षण भर जीवन, यही मेरा परिचय.
क्या बात.
I would really follow that because Bachchan साहब, like senior Bachchan, just 2 lines he has explained the whole world what a human with a fun-filled heart is. वही सही है. That's the introduction which I would like to follow.
So Ishita?
Beautiful. It was. I love the fact that both your stories, both your poetries, the concept of hope was very alive, and it is so beautiful because I started practicing Buddhism 11 years back, and it has so deeply ingrained the concept of hope in me, and the fact that people can think they can live and survive in isolation or they rise in isolation. It's a myth because even to survive for one day, there is a village that still backs you up. And if on any given day you can create value, किसी भी एक इंसान की जिंदगी में, then your mission for that day is fulfilled. And your poems today were so fulfilling. They're so beautiful. Thank you.
I would like to just add one line. Probably Rajesh ji and Usha ji, they're getting my morning messages every day. Since 2015, I've been writing these 8-line poetry. It is just as a cause that when I went through a bad time, there was no one to say that things will be all right. So since 2005, I started writing poetry with only hope, saying that smile, smile. Most of my poems would be on smiles. And today, if I look back, probably it would be 2,300 poems of all 8 lines, octets alone. Every morning I write them and I send it because I believe if one person smiles, that's enough for that day. Probably that's the message Buddhism also has.
Yes, yes. I don't mind getting the 8-line poems, please.
No, sure.
I'll share his number. I'll share his number.
बहुत खूबसूरत. Thank you.
Usha ma'am.
Let me start from my experience of receiving those 8-line poems from Chris every day. Because, I also believe in spreading happiness, smiling always. And I do believe that if we give a smile, the person who receives the smile also somewhere at least at least one smile we will get from, if we are smiling to at least 10 people, at least one smile we will get back. And the person who was not in a mood to smile back also, maybe after some time will remember the smile which we have shared. That is what I used to believe. And the Chris poem, those 8 lines which I am getting every day morning, it is making me so much refreshed till I say goodbye to that one day. This is what about that. And about today's poems and the story which has been narrated by him. Chris, each word of your poem is an epic. That's what I would like to say. Nothing more. Epic. It's an epic, each word. So you can understand.
Very much. Thank you. Thank you very much.
And, it will be remaining in mind forever and ever. And your poems and your words are insightful, introspective, and reflective.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.